I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your mobiles.
Here we are down near the beach and the bar, just going to breakfast at the market where the big buffet breakfast is. Just looking at the pool area from where breakfast is served at the market. See how big the pool is, lots of different sections. Nice calachuchi tree there. And the Brezza restaurant over at the far end of the pool. Down just past the pool you can see the beach, Punta Bunga Beach.
Here comes a big one. Here we are on Punta Bunga Beach at the Movenpick. Oh, here's Annie coming out of the water. This particular beach, Punta Bunga, which is like a private beach, it's about 700 meters long. It's got beautiful white sand, beautiful turquoise water, which is usually about 28 degrees. It's outstanding swimming conditions. You've got the Shangri-La up one end of the beach, the Movenpick in the middle of the beach. Then you've got the Crimson Resort at the southern end of the beach. This is about 10 minutes in a bus or trike from Station 2. Here we have the surfboards at the Movenpick. They've got a new surfboard here now with a big turtle on it. In my opinion, this beach is consistently the best beach on Boracay and in the top 5 beaches in the whole of the Philippines. It's consistently clean, good conditions, minimal swell, and beautiful turquoise water. The stations 1, 2 and 3, for about 2 months of the year they get a fair amount of green algae, but it's not a problem. You just go 20 metres out and you're past all the green algae and you can still stand up. So it's outstanding swimming conditions and an ocean lover's dream. Here we have a mermaid coming out of the water. Here we have the seasons at Philippines beaches. You have Anaheim season, which is November to May, and you have Habagat, which is June to October. They're the prevailing wind conditions. How many bikinis can one girl have? This is a nice blue floral bikini, looking very good. And another bikini, nice with the green colour. With the Shangri-La boat pickup area in the background. And the beach out in front of the Shangri-La. Here we are at the Shangri-La, and we've got the supermodel Annie lying by the pool. Very cool. So,
My name is Jao.
what is it?
Jao.
Jao. How do you spell that?
J-A-O.
J-A-O. How long have you worked here for?
I'm working here since 2018.
2018.
Yeah, until now.
So, they were still down at the other place.
Yeah. Before, the old playa.
Yeah, down the other one. And so you've been here for a while now.
Yeah.
You must be a very good worker. And how many days a week do you work?
I work 6 days a week.
6
We
days.
had 1 day off.
What do you do? What do you do on your day off?
Rest day, sometime go fishing.
Fishing.
If I had the time.
What sort of fishing? What do you catch? What sort of stuff?
Sometimes you catch mackerel,
Yeah.
bali, but not every day.
Yeah.
Sometimes we lucky, sometimes not.
How many wives have you got? How many wives?
Why?
Girlfriends.
We don't have a girlfriend, and I have one wife.
One wife.
No children.
No children. You're trying to have some children?
I'm trying, but still waiting.
Still waiting. Well, you keep trying because
Yeah, I keep trying.
it's still fun to keep trying. Here at a playa, you've got the downstairs restaurant and bar, then you've got upstairs restaurant, and then up the top you've got some music and the bar. This is a playa on the 3rd level. As you can see, the sunset is magnificent. It's one of the best sunsets and most consistent sunsets in the world on Boracay. There's Annie downstairs doing some vlogging just before sunset. See all the beautiful blue sailed boats going out for the sunset cruises. And we're about to have another fantastic sunset on Boracay. On Boracay, the main beach, White Beach, is broken up into 3 stations, 1, 2 and 3. A playa, where I'm shooting this from, is located on the edge of station 1 and 2. Station 2 is the busy area, station 1 and 3 a little bit quieter and still nice.
Hello from Australia and happy birthday. So I would like to give you a theme song of the island. I wanna go back to the island called Boracay, and it feels like where I belong. There are there's a place I can go home on the island of Boracay. Yeah, yes, Mom. Welcome to the island, everybody. All the wonders of the world, Santa's gone, and it feels like it's where I belong. There are fine beasts. There's a place I can go home to the island of Boracay. And that was the theme song of the island. How much do you like this song? Do you like it very much?
Ay, alam niyo, ma'am, alam niyo.
No, since it's your birthday. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? Then I say, I love you. I hear things high. I watched them go. They were much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Happy birthday, Ando from Australia.
Then,
morning! Here we are again at our favorite go-to place, the Police Hotel. They have a nice band here and fire dancers most of the time, so it's a nice place to hang out and it's open space. And there's their bar. It's one of our favorite songs.
So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you ain't for me. Hoping like you never let me go. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane. Don't know where I'll be back again.
Washing all the salt water off after a snorkel. How was your snorkel, Annie?
Lots of fish, nice water.
Good. Mr. Willie, good to see you again. We go today. Now, Mr. Willie, I heard that you had the run, swim, run. Well, I was expecting Adele to win. What happened?
Last day just cancelled because we have short break.
I had the manager, yeah? Oh, you didn't cancel, didn't do it?
But right now it's just continuation.
Yeah. Someone told me that you win them all the time. You're the winner. You're the old man though. You still beat them. Still beat the young boys. Well done, Willie. Good to see you again. Cheers, mate. We're about to depart Boracay. Always very sad to leave. Here we have the boats coming and going from
The tenant.
Boracay Port. Got all the Henan boats. Bring their guests down by boat if they want to pay for it. Here we are in the Belmont Gold Lounge on the 7th floor, just having breakfast. It's a nice location overlooking the Fairmont Resort Makati, overlooking the pool there. Just having a couple of coffees and some fruits. Looking down at the Fairmont Makati pool, see how many kids are swimming in there this morning. Having lots of fun. Enjoy. Here we are in Nelson Tower, the Blackbird, and the Blackbird's located on Makati Ave, across the road from the peninsula. And see out there the coloured choo-choo tree. It's got plenty of flowers. Here we are at Blackbird, Nelson Tower. We're having some salt and pepper squid and some braised duck and a strawberry banana smoothie. Looks delicious. Having some nasi goreng from Mainz. Looks nice and yum, smells yum. Having a couple of scoops of ice cream for dessert. The famous burnt butter and the vanilla chocolate cookie. Dig in. Look up at Nelson Tower from Ayala Triangle Park. That's where we just had our lunch. Here we have the only Greyhound cafe that I've seen in the world. It's huge. Big tree in the middle of the Ayala Triangle. we have some Filipino street food. Barbecue happening. We've got pork, chicken, buko,